See, today we will discuss the accounts maintained by the non-profiting organizations. Children, they prepare three books of accounts. First is a receipt and payment account. A receipt and payment account. Trading organizations prepare cash book where cash receipts are recorded at the debit side and cash payments are recorded at the credit side. Similarly, on the same pattern, receipt and payment account is also prepared, and it is prepared all receipts are debited, all payments are credited. The difference is cash book is prepared day-to-day receipt and day-to-day payment, but the receipt and payment account is prepared at the end of a financial year, that is on 31st March every year, where all subscriptions, all receipts are recorded at the receipt side and payments are recorded at the payment side. This like we will prepare the column like this: receipt, amount for the receipts, then payment, and amount for the payment. This is called receipt and payment account. All receipts of every nature for every year, previous year, present year and future are recorded here at the receipt side, and all payments, whether it is a revenue expenses and capital expenditure, all are recorded at the payment side. At the end, children, we will calculate the receipt side and similarly we will calculate the payment side. The difference will be if this side is greater, matlab receipt side is greater and this side is shorter, it will be written as by balance CD carried down from one side to another side. It starts with balance BD to balance BD brought down from one year to another year. It starts from BD or ends from CD. It may be a cash balance or cash and bank both. This is what the receipt and payment account. The second account they prepare is income and expenditure account, right? Children, income and expenditure account is prepared just like profit and loss account. Income and expenditure account. It is prepared on the basis of nominal account formula. Nominal account, you know, all expenses and losses are debited, all incomes and gains are credited. Like this, we have to prepare the format, the ledger format. Incomes are credited, that's why income we will write at the credit side. This is the right hand side. And this side is debit side. Expenditure we will record here. Right? Expenditure and amount. I told you it is a nominal account. All expenses and losses will be debited, means recorded at the debit side. All incomes and gains of revenue nature will be recorded here at the income side. Same thing we will do. We will record all the income. We will get it from the receipt side of the receipt and payment account, and then we will calculate the total of expenditure side. If income is more, it will be balanced here. So balancing figure will be written as to surplus, means income is more and expenditure is less. So sum of the income is surplus. Profit we cannot write here because it is a non-profiting organization for which we are preparing the accounts. Sometimes, very rarely, if suppose expenditures are more, expenses, incomes are less, then here we will write by deficit at the end of the year. By deficit. In this way, both the amounts debit and credit will be equal and balanced. This is what the income and expenditure account. All expenses of revenue nature is recorded here. All income of revenue nature which occurs every month, every year, that is recorded here. And then we will balance both the sides. If this side is greater, balance will be written as surplus. If this side is greater, according to question, this side will be balanced as deficit. There are two balance sheets. The third account they have to record or prepare is two balance sheet, opening and closing balance sheet. First is opening balance sheet. Liabilities and assets are recorded. Left hand side is liability side, then the amount of the liability, then assets. At the asset side we will record for the organization at the beginning date, that is 1/4/2020, and one will be prepared on 31 March 2021. Two balance sheets we have to prepare. Here we will end the task today, and you try to prepare at home. Send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay.